Hello friends, as we all know, India has adopted a new taxation system GST. So here in this video we will tell you about GST. GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. But what is GST? The present taxation system in India consists of direct as well as indirect taxes. For example, income tax. It comes under direct tax and direct taxes cannot be shifted to another party. Second is sales tax, service tax and central excise tax. These all are indirect taxes and can be shifted to other party. These are used in the production of goods and services. Tax being paid at every stage from the point of production leads to paying tax over tax, hence making the cost of production too high. So GST is introduced to eliminate many indirect taxes from the manufacturer to the final point of sale or service. So France was the first country to implement GST to reduce tax evasion. Since then, more than 140 countries have implemented GST, with some countries having dual GST, for example Brazil and Canada. India has chosen the Canadian model of dual GST, where the center and states have the powers to levy and collect taxes. So in dual GST, a central goods and service tax, that is CGST, and a state goods and service tax, that is CGST, will be levied on the taxable value of every transaction of supply of goods and services. European countries have one rate of GST as they do not have poor families, unlike in India, where families cannot be burdened with the same tax as the rich. Now, the taxes which have been subsumed into GST at central level. The first is additional custom duty, which is commonly known as countervailing duty. Second is service tax. Third is special additional duty of customs. Fourth is central excise duty. Fifth is additional excise duty. These all taxes have been subsumed into GST at central level. Now, the taxes which have been subsumed into GST at state level. First is luxury tax. Second is purchase tax. Third is taxes on lottery, betting and gambling. Fourth is octroi and entry tax. Fifth is entertainment tax, central sales tax. And sixth is state value added tax or sales tax. These all taxes have been subsumed into GST at state level. Now, why GST is a boon for households and how? Under GST, goods and services is taxed at the following rates: 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%. There is a special rate of 0.25% on rough precious and semi-precious stones and 3% on gold. Here we are giving you the list of products placed under all the GST rates. Now the products at 0% under GST: unpacked food grains, fresh vegetables, unbranded atta, unbranded maida, unbranded besan, gur, milk, eggs, curd, lassi, unpacked paneer, unbranded natural honey, palmyra jaggery, salt, kajal, fulbari jharu, children's drawing and coloring books, education services and health services. Now the product at 5% under GST. These are sugar, tea, roasted coffee beans, edible oils, skim milk powder, milk food for babies, packed paneer, cashew nuts, resin, PDS kerosene, domestic LPG, footwear up to ₹500, apparels up to ₹1000, agarbatti and choir mats. Now the products at 12% under GST: butter, ghee, almonds, fruit juice, packed coconut water, preparation of vegetables, fruits, nuts or other parts of plants including pickle, murabba, chutney, jam and jelly, umbrella, mobiles. Now products at 18% under GST. These are hair oil, toothpaste, soap, pasta, cornflakes, soups, ice creams, toiletries, computers and printers. So friends, thank you very much. This is all about GST. We will give you more information on GST very soon.